Okay, for problem number 9 on section 6.1, let me maximize it here. Well, that might have made it worse. Okay, it says find the indicated area under the curve of the standard normal distribution, then convert it to a percentage and fill in the blank. And it says about blank percent of the area is between z-score of -2 and z-score of 2, or in other words, within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Okay, so basically what you'll do, the percentage of the area is the same thing as the probability. And it's the normal, standard normal distribution. So you'll go over here to StatCrunch. You'll pull that up. You'll go to Stat. You'll go to Calculators. You'll go to Normal. Okay, now you're on the standard normal curve, and we're looking between 2 z-scores. So since we're on the standard normal curve, your mean is 0, your standard deviation is 1, and your z-scores here will be -2 and 2. And then click compute. And I think they wanted 2 decimal places, so that would be, I can't remember, let me look. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places, and it's a percentage. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll go move your decimal 2 places to the right to convert it to a percent. So it's 95.45. 95.45. So that'll be 95.45%. And you'll check answer. And there it is. I hope this helps.